Hi everyone, it's me Justin and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, actually it's late for tonight's video. It's gonna be about SB19 and this is entitled SB19 being makalat for 10 minutes straight. So this made me very excited. I was like, how makalat is SB19 because I've seen Kuya Stel.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
I just wonder how all the members like being makalat in one whole video. I was like, yeah, like can I wear my glasses or not? Because it's reflecting the light and I want to wear my glasses because it's more comfortable actually.
Few inches later.
Before this video starts, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe to my channel. It really helps a lot, really do. And yeah, I'm sending hugs, love, and kisses to everyone who's watching this video. So let's start the video in 3, 2, 1.
Ano po sila po bahid po sila. Wala pong masyadong malalang
Wait, what?
fans po namin, ano po sila po bahid po sila.
Yeah.
Wala pong masyadong malalang
Really? Are we behave, guys? Pepperoni. He really knows that if he says something to like Stel, it's gonna be funny as hell. So Justin is already laughing for us, guys. He knows what's gonna happen. Yeah. Look, Steph doesn't trust Justin anymore. I want to play this with my friends. Oh my gosh, it's actually fun to do. Hmm? Yeah. I'm getting stressed. Yeah. Yes! Umupo doon MP4.
Okay, so anong kwento? Parang papasok po ako ng training doon. So sumakit po ako ng train. Papuntang training. Training ka na doon? Parang sakto po na labasan ng mga students. So parang medyo nakaupo po ako, napapansin ko na parang napapansin na siguro nila, nakikilala po nila ako somehow. Kasi nag-uusap-usap po sila. Tapos tumitingin sa akin.
Oh my
so, parang
gosh.
kahit naka-earphones po ako, medyo naririnig ko po na tinatanong parang gano'n. Tapos until na tumayo yung katabi ko, may po sa student. Ay, katabi. Hindi sa akin. Katabi. Hindi sa akin.
Stop it. Get some help.
So that scared the shit out of me.
Oo, sa tabi ko.
He's so nervous telling this story.
Tapos tinanong niya po ako na parang, si SB19 Justin po.
Oh, that student is so lucky. Oh my gosh, he lied. I have a question, guys. If you are, let's just say you are a popular person, how will you answer those kind of questions like, are you this famous actor? Are you this famous singer? How will you respond to that? Because putting myself in that situation, I don't know what to do. Maybe I would do what Justin did. Like I would literally lie like, yeah, that's not me. Shorts that MP4.
Naka-shorts, Fultonista ni Josh, 13. Marbs, gay. Naka-shorts, ooh. Yes, naka-shorts lang po ako. Komportable eh. Siyempre pag nasa bahay, minsan nga wala pa akong ano eh. Saan po kayo unang natutong sumayaw by Aya?
Oh, Q's at MP4. What is happening? Oh my gosh. wants to be the mannequin? Kiss underscore or oh my gosh.
Dapat kiss yun. Ang hirap i-kiss. Sabi ko, dapat hug lang. Kasi hindi may kiss sa stage. Pwede mo may hawak ng mic. Delikado.
Wet is wet. Okay.
Pants are wet, my shirt wet. Everything is wet.
My puwet is wet.
Wet. Because the upuan is wet. So everything is wet.
Puro wet.
Hi everyone. I'm SB19. Hardworking. Your boy, Justin.
Pure boy.
Hindi po ako pure.
Wait a minute.
Okay. Let it slip, I guess.
Hindi siya hardworking. We are never pure.
Bakit mo pinalita?
Kasi ba, hindi na po siya pure. Kasi 5 po kami.
Still is very witty.
Tapos, ayan po. Meron tayong wet wipes. Wet wipes. Mainit po kasi. Bakit may wet wipes? Justin, bakit may wet wipes? Alam niyo po guys, mahilig po ako kumain dito. So, ayoko pala dudumihin yung keyboard ko.
Oh, that's a good thing though. He's clean, guys.
Anong question? Kapag may chance na ma-reincarnate po kayo, ano gusto niyo maging?
Ano kaya?
Ako,
Me, I wanna be a
gusto ko
soil.
maging ibon.
Ala, tayo Josh! Gusto ko rin maging ibon!
Correct.
Malaking ibon, tas maliit na ibon.
Oh my gosh.
Malaki.
Guys, I just forgot that this video is about SB19 being makalat.
What?
I was like wondering, why is the video like this?
Maliit.
Pre, ano yung malaki? Kung magiging ibon tayo lahat, anong ibon? Ako, Angry Bird.
Angry Bird?
Oh my gosh. Masarap ka. Oh, I know this one.
Kung ice cream ka, anong flavor mo at sa tingin mo masarap ka ba? What? Sarap ba?
Now he's wondering.
Kung sa ice cream, gusto ko maging gusto ko maging
I love vanilla ice
vanilla.
cream though.
Parang common na kasi pag parang
Yeah, that
common
is
na pag
true. I don't like
chocolate
chocolate at all.
flavor kaya mas gusto ko vanilla.
And you can
Don't
pair a
know
lot of
masarap
things
ba?
with vanilla.
Wala akong alam. Ano ba itong question na to? Sa tingin mo masarap ka ba? Di ko alam. Next, anong gusto?
It depends if the vanilla ice cream is actually freshly made, guys.
You gotta be kidding me.
Ganyan dapat outfit ko.
Bikini. Bikini.
Summer.
Baba.
Okay, sino ang pinakamagulo matulog? Ay sa malikot. Doon
Siguro
sa
po.
malikot.
Masasabi ko si Justin siguro. Kasi ano po,
Good ka.
nasa ibabaw ko po siya. Double deck po kasi. Double deck po kasi. Tapos
Okay,
po,
sinong pinakamaingay?
si Josh po. Sila pong dalawa magkasama sa isang deck.
Isang maingay, isang magalaw.
Opo.
Is that a good combination?
Banding si Mami at si Daddy, nanonood ng TV, like holding hands sila. Siyempre, Daddy, parang yung pinapanood natin, hindi ko nagpustuhan.
Sino ba ang gusto mo?
Daddy, gawin ka ganyan, hindi tayo bagets.
Ano ba? Lagi tayong Bugs Baby pa naman si Junjun eh.
So, okay, what it is?
What?
What is this one?
Lasa rin saging mo.
Gusto mo yung saging?
Laban tayo.
Oh gosh.
Na, saging?
Sige, ako si Cyclops. Ako si Cyclops.
One, two, three, step, ta, tang, toot. Yun.
My brother is a choreographer, so he does this a lot.
Siguro po, minsan para pag magmamall po, bibilin, parang may nahihiya po kami kasi may naalala ko sa pagmamall. Hindi ko po alam kung okay lang po ito yung kwento. Pero po kasi one time po, pumunta po ako ng department store. Pumunta po ako doon para po bumili po ako ng underwear. Kasi po, nasa condo na po kami. Kulang po yung nadala ko. Sabi ko, namimili po ako. Tapos sabi ko, pwede sa atin. Hindi. Namimili ako ng sizes. Tapos biglang yung sales lady sabi sa akin, Kuya Stel, okay yan. Okay po yan. Bagay po yan.
Bakit kilala ka?
Parang really? Yes, Stel.
Oh my gosh.
Kilala niya po ako. Sabi ko, opo, SB19 po. Sabi ko, ay. Namimili pa po ako ng underwear. So wala, nakita niya na po yung susuotin ko that day.
Ang sales lady.
Para malaman. Hula, ano kulay ng brief ko ng binili? Ano color?
Isn't it cool if Stel married that sales lady? How cool is that gonna be? Like, their kid will be like, Dad, Mom, how did you meet each other? Can you imagine how funny it is gonna be telling that story to our kid? Like, it's awesome.
Ano ang kulay? Ay, hindi. Minag-clean na rin. Ako po yung brief. Grabe! Love your fans! Grabe. Pero, comment nyo muna ha kung anong kulay. So, mapatunayan natin.
We will choose 10 lucky winners. We will choose 10 lucky winners. We will choose 10 lucky winners to... Ay, joke lang. Ano yung mapapala nun?
Milky Way.
Yung cute na yung may halaman sa ulo.
Oo, favorite yung may halaman sa ulo.
Saba mo nga yung paa mo.
Pag kumakain.
Nakikita yung papunta sa Milky Way. Pero, ang kakalat niya.
Sejun, magpulot ka na, Sejun.
Josh,
Sejun, hindi ka na magpulot, Sejun.
No.
I hope you enjoy that.
Yay! I enjoyed it. I don't know with you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And that is all for the video for tonight. It's so late. So yeah, thank you for watching everyone. I appreciate it a lot. And yeah, see you in my next video. Bye!